Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends." Going much deeper than that, think about the silence within you. When you get to the end of your life, don't get there looking back with regret, knowing you should have stood for something greater than the life you lived. Looking back in regret, knowing your heart was bigger than the little life you lived, knowing you cared deeply for a cause greater than you, but you let fear stand in the way of your voice being heard. Fear of judgment, fear of others' opinions. Whatever you believe in, live that. Don't be scared of the opinions of others. If they don't stand tall with you, they aren't right for you. You have good in your heart and you need to stand for that. I don't know what it is for you, but you do. You have things you want to fight for. You have causes you need to fight for. You have causes and people needing you to stand up for them. Stand strong in your convictions. Stand tall for what is right. Not just right for you, right for all, right for humanity, right for the peace on this planet. Stand up to life. Stand up to your challenges. Stand up to the demons. Stand for what you believe in. Stand up. Fight for your dreams without compromising the good in you. You can still reach the top without stomping on anyone to get there. You can have it all while giving all of you to the world. It's about living with integrity, living with pride in your soul. There isn't faster way to inner peace than knowing you to do what is right. Every step of every day, living with integrity, leading with your heart and soul, and living with love inside you. Zig Ziglar once said, "With integrity, you have nothing to fear since you have nothing to hide. With integrity, you will do the right thing so you will have no guilt." How do you know what you are standing for is the right thing? As Oprah Winfrey said, "You always know it's the right thing when in the end there is peace." Lohortz had 3 rules I think you should follow. He said, "I follow 3 rules. Do the right thing, do the best you can, and always show people you care." And I will leave you with more from Martin Luther King Jr., who said that old law about an eye for an eye leaves everybody blind. The time is always right to do the right thing. So stand up to life, stand up to your challenges, stand up to the demons, stand for what you believe in, stand up.